Hey you guys, welcome to my first video of Python where I will do exercises. So basically all my videos will be my homework, let's say. Okay, the way this will go, I just took some exercises from a course. I have Zen flowchart to make the chart, the flowchart. I have countdown for every exercise. I have 30 minutes. If in 30 minutes I don't get it, I will use the solution. I will check the solution. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yep, everything looks good. Let's do it. So first of all, exercise number 1. Make a program that outputs the addition of a 2-digit number. All right, we have the input. And the example input is 39, but the output should be the addition of the two letters. Okay, let's try to do this. So we start here. Okay. I want to change this to this. Okay, so we ask for input digits. Those will be strings. Okay, so we ask for the input, which will be a 2-digit string, and after that we have to add the numbers. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty much, right? I forgot to start the countdown. This is pretty much the program. Okay, so we have the input, this one. I just want to check which will be a string. Let's check it. Oh wait, it's not Control Enter, it's Control E. Wait. It's a string, yeah, so we can do this. We have to turn them in integers. Integers! After we convert the data type, okay, this should be the end. Wait. All right, let's give it a go. So we ask for the input. After this, we convert the data. You know what? I'll convert it right here. After this, let's say print. All right, at 0 plus at 1. This should give us the answer. All right, let's check it. So we have 11. Oh yeah, this is it. All right, let's see. So let's check the flow chart. We don't convert the data type. I have to check why. Let's take a note here. Exercise 1. Okay, check. Let me take a note. All right. Okay, so okay, I think I did it. Okay, let me check first of all the flowchart. So we ask for a 2-digit input, which will be a string. In the next section, we convert in and we have the result, right? Let's check one more time. Okay, so make a program that outputs the addition of 2-digit number. So 2-digit number, that's the input, which we have it. And when we ask like 39, will give us 12. That's it. So the thing was that I was confused about the fact that, let me see. Let's comment this. And let's make this integer. And let's print at position 1. Let's see. Oh my god, I keep pressing Control. Okay, let's see. So let me read this one. Okay. Great, so the first challenge is complete.